What's up everybody? In this video I will show you how to use Temu shopping app. So open Temu like this. So here the first things that you will see when you open Temu is the homepage where you can find the products, all the products recommendation, and also this search bar where you can search for anything that you want to buy. You can search also by images. If you have an image of a product, similar product that you want to buy, click here and search by it. If you go now to categories, you can find all the categories of products. So if you click here, seller, you can find the US seller. And guys, if you click on cart, you can find your product that you are saving to buy later. For example, I'm going to buy this t-shirt, so it's on checkout. And right now guys, if I click here on profile, I can see this page where I can find my messages, as you can see right now. Also I can find my history, gift calendar, address, following, messages, reviews, and my settings and contacting supports. So how to order? It's very easy. Choose a product, click on it and click add now, and then you click you back after doing this and click on go to cart, and you will see the product that you want to buy. Click on it, and you can buy it from here guys. For checkout, just click on checkout, add your delivery address and add your payment method. So the application of Temu is very useful guys. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.